Good afternoon. Well, it's the west. What is that? Yes, it's been a minute. It's been a long, hot summer. Personal issues I had to deal with, but I sure have been sky watching. But look at this. What is today? The 10th of August, 3 o'clock p.m. It's really picked up. What in the world? This is the weirdest looking crap in person you've ever seen. Like, what is that? Oh, I hope everyone is so well. Look at this. What is that? Oh my goodness. That's the north. Crazy. Look, there is the sun way down there. And this just blew up. Like, oh, look at that. Big circle. Like 5 minutes ago. 105 degrees today, heat index. Still, garden, didn't do with the crop. And look over here in the north. Oh, this is really blowing up really quick. Yeah, that looks perfectly normal, doesn't it? Wow. I hope everyone is well, taking care. I'm gonna have to open my door because this is crazy looking. Wow. Whoa. Look at this. What? Wow. Cray cray. What would you call that? Whoa, it's getting windy. And this is nasty looking. This is the kind of crap that's been happening all summer. It's 105 degrees and this blows up. And I will tell you, no rain. No rain out of it. It can look like this and we'll not drop one drop of rain. Temperatures dropped about 15 degrees. I hope everyone is well. Stay vigilant. Pray for discernment. That's wild looking. All right. Talk to you soon. Wow. I can't stop looking at it. It's wild. There's lightning. Probably can't hear me because of the wind. These are just crazy, crazy days. Everybody take care. Oh my goodness, I'm at All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.